Be 2 weeks ready. Emergency Management, Activity 30. Follow along on Toolkit, page 88.
Activity 30. Help your community prepare. Goal: get involved in your community so you can help emergency management officials prepare your neighbors and respond to emergencies. The best first step to help your community prepare is to contact your local emergency management team and ask how to become involved. Share that you and your neighbors are working together in the Be 2 Weeks Ready program and you want to learn more. Many local emergency management and fire departments have Community Emergency Response Team, CERT, training available for those who want to do more after an emergency. In some communities, these trainings are offered in multiple languages and to those with access and functional needs.